Welcome to this course, the final course in the Practical Skills course series, and the course is the Mindset Guide for a Startup. Here we're going to look at the various guides that you need as a startup and things that will ensure that you know when to scale up, but you also maintain the right startup even as you scale up. First, we look at Day One Mentality by Jeff Bezos and the importance of ensuring that you are always operating under the Day One mentality as a startup. And then next we look at the law of aerodynamics, the law breaking the gravitational law. How did the Wright brothers do it? How do we break the gravitational law in our lives and in our businesses? We'll talk about that. And then next we look at building future-proof businesses. How do we ensure that as we build our businesses, we are able to future-proof them and we're able to make them protected for the future and adaptable for the future? We'll talk about the tips and tricks to do that. And then next, we'll talk about the best kept secret of the rich. I'll not even reveal it here, you just have to listen to it during the course. So the best kept secret of the rich, what is it and why should you also be beginning to put that into your life if you want to be wealthy and rich? And it's not these big things, it's something very, very simple. That is why it is a secret. And then we'll talk about what is success, and we look at it from the Earl Nightingale analogy, and we will realize that success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. We'll talk about what that means, and then finally we'll look at when do you know that your startup is ready for scale up. What will show you, and then how do you scale up your startup? We'll talk about those in this lesson. This lesson, of course, is structured in the same way like all the others. We'll do a quote, a short story, we'll look at the lessons, and then the practical skills, things that you could do today to ensure that you put this lesson into practice. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. It's a very short and sweet lesson, but packed with very good insights for your startups to help you grow. And for more details, of course, you can buy the book Practical Skills for Entrepreneurial Success, which is where this course series is also based off on. And with that, see you on the other side.